Hi, and welcome to Tuesday Talk. I have some exciting news for you, and I also have paint on my hands, but what's new? Today is the 14th. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, and I am so glad that you are part of my La Vintage Decor family here on YouTube. So I decided that this would be the perfect day to make an announcement. So if you have ever heard of channel memberships, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to start a La Vintage Decor channel membership. So, you've heard of influencers. Well, the world of YouTube is a great thing because it allows even people like me, 63-year-old women, to become influencers. So now I'm not really a big influencer, but different companies, if your channel grows enough, then they might want you to sponsor them and stuff. So, that's not out of the realm of possibility. So, um, you hear my dog shaking. It does that shake, and you hear its collar. But so like I said, that's not out of the realm of possibility for me to become that. But I'd like to share the influencer duties with you. So, what my channel membership is about you providing me with ideas for this video slot, this Tuesday talk. So the idea is, if you have seen, and it's not because I'm lazy and can't think of anything, because trust me, I can think of things. But the whole idea is, I want to feature you. I want to know what you want to see. If you saw maybe another YouTuber or someone on TikTok or someone on any social media that you follow do something um, that you thought was cool, then and you'd like me to give it a try, I'd be more than happy to. Or if I've done something on my channel and you have a different slant on it, maybe you've done it and you've done it a different way, or you think I did it wrong and you'd like to, show me your way, I'm all about it. So that's the whole idea. So, as a channel member, you would submit your ideas, and then every week we'll use one of your ideas. So I will plan on getting us started. I have an idea for um, my first one. Um, so I'll kind of explain it a little bit. Another YouTuber did this terrazzo kind of finish with paint chips, and it was really cool. And I was going to do the same thing like a year ago or so, but I would have done it totally different. And I think she did it better, but I sort of want to try my way and see if it would have worked, or maybe try both ways and see which is better. So that's the kind of thing that I'm looking for. So the thing that you might be asking is, how much is this going to cost? So the good thing is, how many of you like the Dollar Tree? I know I do. And now that they should call it the $1.25 tree, because as we all know, it's $1.25 now to purchase something. So you can be a member on my channel membership for less than it costs to buy one item at the Dollar Tree. And it lasts you all month long. So yes, for only 99 cents, that's where we're starting with our channel membership. So I wanted to make it really affordable and get a bunch of people um, to get started with. I just think it'll be fun, and maybe down the line there might be other levels of membership, and that's all there for us. But this is a great place to start. And when you join, you will get invited to a Facebook group that is exclusively ours. So that's exciting because that's where you would submit your ideas and we'd discuss the ideas. So it's a special place for us. And all of the suggestions that you want to submit. So we can talk about the things that were already submitted and already done. So it'd be a great place for a discussion group for you to share ideas, share your projects. And I'm really super excited about this. The name of the Facebook group is the Members Only Level 1 Artist Project. Calling it Level 1 just in case we end up with a different level of membership. That'll help us identify the group. Oh, and one of the other perks of being a member is whenever we do premieres, you get emojis. So when you comment, you'll have better emojis to use than just a like. So that's cool. And you'd also get badges. So it's really fun. I think Facebook should let me design their emojis. I made some really cute ones. At least I think, and they're only going to get better from there. And that's just a little thing, but it is really cool. I've been a member of a channel membership before, and it is really cool whenever you make a comment during a live or a premiere that you get that special recognition, and that's great. If you yourself have a YouTube channel, it makes you stand out from the rest of the comments. So it's all good stuff. And like I said, you can't beat the price because I fritter away $1 easily. And this is, I think, going to be a lot of value for you for the money because you never know what other exclusive content might be available too that we can provide for you. So I'm super excited about it, and I hope you are too. Another thing that is happening since it's Valentine's Day is the Iron Orchid Designs product release. I'm so excited. So I'm going to try to show you a little bit of a sneak peek of that as well. And as of yet, I still don't sell my Iron Orchid Designs products online. I sell them in my shop at 814 Green Avenue in Altoona, Pennsylvania. So for now, that's what I'm doing. So if you're local, you can take advantage of that. But if you haven't seen the products, then you'll enjoy taking a look at the spring release. I can't believe I'm saying spring. It sounds wonderful. So it's nice and warm here. I don't know how it is where you are, but boy, I will take it. I know that I feel like the other shoe is going to drop. I hope it's not a big old snowshoe, but I'm afraid because here we are only in February, but you know, it's happened. We've had giant snowfalls in March and sometimes April. So it happens, but hopefully not, you know. So anyway, I'm super excited about channel membership and the Iron Orchid design release and for Valentine's Day. So thanks for watching, and you should be able to hit the join button at the bottom of this video. All right, take care. Love you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends? If you haven't subscribed, you'll want to do that so you don't miss anything. Visit us at lavintagedecor.company, and on Instagram we're LaVintage Decor, and on Facebook we're LaVintage Decor Altoona. Stay well.